Coffee cups, dark high sky full of chatter. Morning sun whispers promises scattered. Old ragged book with tales torn and tattered. Silent stories told by faces worn and weathered. Steam rises slow, dreams lightly fading. Fingers tap rhythm to songs they're creating. Heartbeat syncopates, life invigorating. Tables hold secrets, emotions percolating. Sip the sunrise in a tiny cafe. Forget the world's rush, let worries drift away. In the home of life, where hearts gently sway, find your own peace, caffeinated ballet. Conversations swirl the walls imbalanced. Spilled cream puddles form abstract talents. Eyes lock briefly, creating a silence. In crowded spaces, found simple alliance. Mornings turn noon, yet time takes no toll. Pressed flowers adorn porcelain bowls. Laughter lingers, sweetens every soul. Every sip taken makes moments whole. Sip the sunrise in a tiny cafe. Forget the world's rush, let worries drift away. In the home of life, where hearts gently sway, find your own peace, caffeinated ballet. Conversations swirl the walls imbalanced. Spilled cream puddles form abstracted talents. Eyes lock briefly, creating a silence. In crowded spaces, found simple alliance.
Morning sun shines like a disco ball in the cafe where the planets call. Sipping stardust from a cosmic cup. Galaxies swirl as the day wakes up. Baristas brewing zero G. Serve my latte with a comet spree. Saturn's rings make a perfect foam. In this cafe, I'm never alone. Space is buzzing with a caffeine swing. Moon dust muffins make the cosmos sing. Coffee constellations light the way. Set the universe and seize the day. Asteroids clink in my sugar jar. Meteor splash in my cappuccino star. Stir my dreams in a Milky Way swirl. Cosmic coffee makes the whole world twirl. Mars red blends the ultimate crop. Nebula pastries, bright and sweet. Every sip here is an astral feat. Space is buzzing with a caffeine swing. Moon dust muffins make the cosmos sing. Coffee constellations light the way.